In this video, we're going to look at what it means when a pattern says to work in between stitches. Traditionally, we work into the top of our stitches, such as this double crochet, which creates a nice fabric and tall rows. But sometimes a pattern will indicate that we should work in between the stitches. So rather than working into the top here, as we just did, we're going to find the space between the posts of our stitches. So we're going to put our hook in between the posts, like that, and complete as usual. So it's a subtle difference, but you can see that this is worked all the way down into those spaces, whereas this is worked into the top of that row. What happens is that as we work into those larger spaces, we create a new type of stripe that interacts with the row below it to create a nice